Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a eyeshadow tutorial for you guys. Well, really a fall makeup look because I do my entire face on camera, and I'm going to be using some new products. So I wanted to just highlight those products in the intro. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Eve Lom serum. Now I did not use this product on camera because I really never moisturize on camera, but this is a hydrating moisturizer, and it is supposed to help prevent fine lines and wrinkles and stop them from coming in the future. So this moisturizer is really awesome for me because it is a hydrating moisturizer, and in the winter time, of course, I have really dry skin, so in the winter time I'm always looking for a nice moisturizer or oil to moisturize my face with. This moisturizer is awesome and it smells really good, and this is from Eve Lom, so I have all the information in the description box down below. Alright, so the next product that I'm going to be highlighting is the Caudalie Elixir Spray, and this product is amazing. I've been using this product for like 2 or 3 weeks now, and I really love how it makes my makeup lay on my skin. It smells amazing to start off with, and then this product is really good for your skin. You know, it's part serum, so who doesn't love nice serum to hydrate their skin, and then it's part toner, which helps minimize your pores, and who doesn't want their pores to be minimized. So you can use this as a setting spray, you can use it as a spray to prep, you can use it in between to just take away that powdery look, or you can use it just to freshen up throughout the day, or you can just use it when you're not wearing makeup and you just want your skin to be nice and fresh. Then you can always give your face a spritz of this. So this is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and I'll have everything listed in the description box down below as to where this product can be purchased. Alright, next up I have these Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow lip glosses, and he sent me 3. So thank you so much to Kevyn Aucoin for sending me this product. And I have these shades Prism Rose, which I used in today's video, Crystal Clear, and Spectrum Bronze. So this is just how the shades look, and they're not super sticky. There are some beautiful colors. These would be awesome to use in the wintertime. I mean, I always use glosses in the wintertime. Of course, I use some liquid lipsticks, but I try to put a gloss over them because, you know, it's always when it's already wintertime, your lip is already dry. So I always like to use glosses. So yes, I will have all the purchase information and where these can be purchased in the description box down below as well. Alright, and the last product that I'm going to be highlighting are some foundations. So OFRA Cosmetics sent me these foundations to try out. They sent me 4 shades. They sent shade 8, which is like way too light, 8.5, 9, and 10. So I used 9 in today's video, and surprisingly it was a really nice match. It was just a little bit on the red side, so I really should have used 10 because it's more on the neutral side, and I have really yellow, I have golden undertones, yellow undertone. So this looks a little red, but surprisingly the color matched me perfectly. And I just had to use like a more neutral concealer, but it all worked out fine. So in the future I think I'll use 10. So I will give you the details on this foundation as I'm applying it on my face in a voiceover. So thank you so much to OFRA for sending me these foundations to review for you guys. So I think that those are all the products that I wanted to highlight. I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look for you guys on this look. I really like how the look turned out. I tried not to dip and dab into too many palettes, but I used maybe 3 different palettes, but you really don't have to use 3 different palettes. It's just the burgundies that I wanted to use. You know, I wanted to use a lighter burgundy and a darker burgundy, so that caused me to go into other palettes, but you totally don't have to skip around on palettes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. I will have everything that I use on my face listed in the description box down below, but like always I try to mention everything that I use on my face in the video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off, my brows already done and my eyes already primed. I'm going into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to take that burnt orange shade and use this as my transition color. Alright, now I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take that burgundy shade and I'm going to place this directly in the crease. Alright, and because I wanted a deeper burgundy, I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. And I'm going to take that shade Jezebel. This is a really deep burgundy, and I'm going to place that directly on top of that first burgundy shade. Just trying to build up the definition in my crease, because I am going to cut the crease. Alright, now I'm going to go into my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I think this is in the shade Tan, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease, which is the same concealer that I use to prime my lids. Alright, so now I'm going to take my MAC Pigment in Melon and I'm going to place this all over the front portion of the lid. And I did wet my brush first. Alright, next up I'm taking another MAC pigment, and it is called Glitter Reflects Rust, and this is from one of their holiday collections, and it's just like a burgundy pigment, and I'm going to place this on the outer portion of the lid. Next up, I'm going to go back into my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm going to use that black, and I'm just going to smoke out the outer V. Next up, I'm going to line my top lash line with my Benefit Showing eyeliner. No, I'm sorry, it's from the Balm. Alright, so now I'm just going to add some mascara to prep my lashes for fall season. This is the Lancome Grandiose Mascara. And then I'm going to be applying my lashes, which are the lashes from Gorgeous Minx. And I'm using the style D108, and I'll have all the information listed in the description box. Next, I'm going to start on my face, and I'm going to start off with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I'm just going to spray that all over my face to start to prep my skin for my foundation. Next up, I'm going to use my First Aid hydrating primer, because this is a matte foundation, and I'm going to place that all over my face. up for foundation, I'm going to be using the OFRA Absolute Coverage Foundation, and they sent me 4 shades. I think they sent me 8, 8.5, 9, and 10. And I'm going to use the shade 9, I think. And it does come with a screw pump. It comes with a pump, and the pump locks. It twists and it locks. I think this is a really good match. And it says that the OFRA Cosmetics Absolute Coverage Foundation is the perfect blend of skincare and makeup. The anti-aging, defying medium to full coverage foundation gives you a flawless, long wear, full coverage that you can wear all day and night. So this is a matte foundation. It's oil-free, long wearing, and it has skin-loving ingredients. It's vegan and it's cruelty-free. So I'm just applying this foundation with a brush. I wanted to go for pretty full coverage today, so I didn't use a beauty sponge. But I'm pretty sure if you wanted to thin it out, you know, and use get maybe like a medium coverage, you can use your beauty blender instead of a brush. Alright, next up for my concealer, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. And next up, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the shade Cashew. And I'm just going to use this to set directly underneath my eyes because I am going to cream contour, because I'll start to crease if I don't. So now I'm using the Huda Beauty Tan Tour Bronzer, and I'm using the shade Tan. I'm just going to use this to cream contour. Just using my sponge to make sure there are no harsh edges. Then I'm going to take that same setting powder and finish setting the rest of my highlighted areas. Next up, to bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using my Benefit bronzer in the shade Toasted. And then to further contour, I'm going to be using my Black Up Contour Kit. I think this is in the shade 5. And I'm just going to use this to add a little bit more definition to my cheeks. And I'm going to use this to contour my nose as well. Alright, next up I'm going to set my entire face with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Deep. next up, I'm going to finish up the eyes. So I'm using the Maybelline Catsuit eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. And then I'm just pretty much going to repeat the same steps on the bottom that I did on the top. Alright, next up for blush, I'm going to be using this Lorac blush, and it is a very pretty berry shade. And I'm just going to use this to make my cheeks a little rosy. So you have to go use a really light hand with this blush because it's very pigmented. So I had to go back in with my powder brush and kind of diffuse it a little because I put way too much on. And now to get rid of the powdery look, I'm going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on. And now for my highlight, I'm going to be using my Becca highlighter in Prosecco Pop. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to be using two liquid lipsticks from the Crayon case. And it's in the shade Mari and Gumbo. This is the shade Gumbo. And it's just a really pretty chocolate, so I'm using it as a lip liner. And then next up, because I didn't want dry lips, I'm going to add some gloss. And I'm going to be using these Glass Glow lip glosses from Kevyn Aucoin. And they sent the shade Spectrum Bronze, Crystal Clear, and Prism Rose. And I'm using the shade Prism Rose. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Until the next video.